Hello everyone.
Happy January 4th. Today we celebrate trivia, spaghetti, and the joy of playful learning. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Trivia Day, a celebration of fun facts and knowledge. A great gift could be a trivia card game, a quiz book, or a puzzle set. What's your favorite trivia fact? Let's quiz the comments. It's National Spaghetti Day, a delicious nod to pasta lovers. A thoughtful gift could be a pasta maker, a gourmet sauce set, or a spaghetti fork kit. What's your spaghetti topping? Let's twirl the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's World Braille Day, honoring accessibility and inclusion. A sweet gift could be a Braille learning kit, a donation to a literacy charity, or a tactile book. How do you support accessibility? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.